We're thrilled to present to you our incredible gem, the Oasis, a freeform fiberglass swimming pool that perfectly combines fun, comfort, and style. The Oasis is not your ordinary pool. This extraordinary creation is designed to provide loads of summer fun for the whole family. With its gorgeous freeform layout, curving edges, and a generous deep end of 7-11 inches, it's definitely a spacious paradise. Just imagine all the room your kiddos and family members will have to swim, splash, and enjoy. What makes the Oasis truly stand out is its outside-the-lines personality. We classify it as a freeform swimming pool because it doesn't conform to typical, rigid pool designs. Instead, it embraces unique curves and shapes to offer a versatile experience. Its curving walls aren't just visually appealing, they also create multiple unique sitting positions, including a bench seat and curved entry steps. Perfect for lounging, laughing, and creating lifetime memories. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.